Mom, can I turn the heat up?
Oh, don't touch the thermostat, Meg, if Father gets upset.
Come on, this thing goes up to 90.
Who touched your thermostat?
God, how does he always know?
Brain implant, Meg. Every father's got one. Tells you when the children are messing with the dial.
Hey, Peter, my thing went off. Your thermostat okay?
Yeah, it's all right.
Hey, is my kid over here?
Forget it. False alarm.
Fiddling with the thermostat is every man's God-given right. Now, you can do it from the couch.
Alexa, set the temperature to 69 degrees.
With the Amazon Smart Thermostat. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. There's no doubt about it, our homes are getting smarter. Smart lighting, smart door locks, and now smart thermostats. But can we really trust AI to control the AC? Let's find out. Specs and features. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is actually manufactured by Honeywell Home Thermostat Technology, a company that's been in the industry for decades. It's compatible with most 24-volt HVAC systems, excluding electric baseboard heaters, and of course, cast iron radiators. Instructions in the Alexa app are designed to walk you through the DIY installation yourself. To install, you'll need a power drill, a 3/16 drill bit, a level, and if your house isn't already pre-wired with a C-wire, you'll need a C-wire power adapter kit. And make sure you shut off the power first, just in case. Once installed, you'll need the Alexa app to connect your device to your home Wi-Fi and start configuring the zones and profiles for your home. Once you're done, climate control is as easy as yelling it out.
Alexa, turn on the heat.
And with the Alexa app, you don't even need to be home to change the temperature. You can set routines, schedules, even personal temperature profiles so your house is just the way you like it as soon as you get home. Amazon also uses a thing called Hunches, an AI-driven system where it guesses your routine based on previous experiences and adjusts your thermostat to save you money on your power bill. These hunches can be turned on or off via the app. So, what do we like about the Amazon Smart Thermostat? The step-by-step installation guide and wire labeling make the whole setup surprisingly easy. You may struggle if you're in an older home and the thermostat wiring is not labeled, but for us, it was super easy. We're also fans of how sleek and low profile the unit is on the wall. While we didn't get to play too much with the hunches functionality, Alexa has been powering our lights for quite a while now, and she's amazing at turning off those unused lights. So, what's the downside? While Amazon advertises that you can use multiple thermostats in one home, some users reported issues configuring each one separately within the app. And that's if you can get the Alexa app to stay stable. The first release of the software still has some bugs and glitches to be worked out. So, what are other people saying about the Amazon Smart Thermostat? SG wrote, I pre-ordered this thermostat coming from using the Ecobee in my last home. I was waiting for a cheaper alternative that would still provide a sleek design. Honeywell has other options, but their UI looks clunky. Sure enough, Amazon came through with this thermostat in a partnership with Honeywell. Jay Singh found issues with the Alexa app and configuring his home AC. He writes, going to return it. Heat mode doesn't turn off on its own, so my house is 90 degrees hot when I set it to 75. You have to physically turn on AC and then turn off heat. I think this is a new Amazon product and Alexa app is not in sync. Defeats the whole purpose of automation and saving energy costs. So, what's the verdict? This is the first thermostat released by Amazon, and there's a few bugs to be ironed out. Having said that, we had no real issues getting set up. At the end of the day, the promise of this product is convenience and cost savings on heating and cooling your home. We gave it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. And the Amazon Smart Thermostat could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our Amazon Smart Thermostat, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the secret hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention. Just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. Well, then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.